And hello YouTube, this is a short video on how I'm doing my power steering fluid service. Of course I'm using Toyota genuine automatic transmission and power steering fluid. This is what they recommend. This is a cold quart. I have an extra one just in case, but so the way that they recommend for you to do it is you pump it out. So I'm using this siphoning pump. I bought this at Harbor Freight for about $6. You pump it out and you refill it with fresh fluid. Then you turn on the car, you turn your wheel left and right about 20 times. Then you go ahead and turn off the car, of course, pump it back out, refill it, and again you turn on your car, turn the wheel back and forth, then you turn it off, you pump it out, refill it, and you do it about at least 5 times. I was able to do it 6 times with 1 quart because it doesn't really take that much on this reservoir. And yep, that's the way they recommend you do it. So there you go. I am currently at 73,000 miles. They do recommend that you do it about maybe 50. So I did go a little overboard, but I do use the vehicle for a little bit of towing and a little bit of off-road. Again, this is the 5th gen 4Runner. And I do recommend you recycle your used oil. You can go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, just take it there. Don't be irresponsible and just dump it out. There you go.